Hi, class. I'm so happy to see you. I'll never get tired of telling you that. I am blessed that you bring me into your home and we can work through some of our schoolwork together through video. Hey, it's a new day, a new week. Let's begin our week with prayer. Would you pray with me, please? Dear God, thank you so much for this day and for all the blessings that you've given to us. You are such a good and an awesome God. You are with us. You care for each one of us. Help us to honor you with our very best work today. We love you, God. Thank you for loving us first. Amen. Class, we are going to start to do some two-digit addition with greater numbers. You are ready for this work. We have about a month left of school, and we're going to spend some of this time doing some pretty special and important math questions in order to get you ready for second grade. So I want to start with a story problem. Boys and girls, on my chart right here, I'm going to pretend that there is a man named David picking apples. And how about a woman named Sarah picking apples? And David picked 28 apples. This seems sort of silly because normally you would pick apples in the fall and it's springtime. Apples are, they are just getting started. Actually, the bottom of an apple blossom actually is the very start of what will later in the fall turn into an apple. You could find some books on that if you're interested in learning more. We're still going to go with this story problem because it works. So David is picking apples and Sarah is picking apples. David picks 28 and Sarah picks 16. So we know that 28 is greater than 16 if we were going to compare these numbers. In fact, when David and Sarah pick their apples, they want to package them in boxes that hold 10 apples in each box. So David picks 28. So let's just start filling up his boxes. Watch me as I do this work. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually don't want to fill them this way. I want to fill my 5 group going vertically first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, but he picked 28 apples. I don't think I have enough to fill another box because 10 fit in a box. I'll just put the 8 extra apples over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, Sarah, she picks 16 apples. Let's fill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And she picks 16, so she doesn't have enough to fill another box of apples either. So I'm going to put her extra apples. She's got 10. Let me find some room here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 28, I have 2 boxes of 10 in each plus 8 extra. And Sarah fills 1 box because she picked 16 apples. She has 10 and 6 extra. Hey, I have all these extra apples. Do you think if I combined David's and Sarah's apples, I could make another box? Did you say yes? I think I could too. I could say 8. And then if I take 2 of these, I'm going to erase this one and move it up here, and erase this one and move it up here. Now I could fill another box of 10. Do you see that? Now, altogether, how many apples did they pick? Well, let's see. We have 4 boxes of 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40 plus 4 more. 4 10s and 4 1s equals, did you say 44? All together, David and Sarah picked 44 apples. Do you think there's a quicker way? I mean, I counted out all these apples and I put them in boxes. I think there's a quicker way too. Boys and girls, I'm going to use 10 sticks and circles to do this work. So I'm going to erase all these boxes of apples. And I'm still going to add up 28 plus 16. But I'm going to do it a little bit more efficiently. 28 is 2 10s and 8 1s. I'm going to use 10 sticks to record my 10s. 10, 20, plus 8 1s. I'm going to use circles to record my 1s. 28. So I have 2 10s and 8 1s. 16 is 1 10 and 6 1s. Now, boys and girls, I could still make a new 10 by circling all of these plus 2 of these apples. Now I still have, I'll change colors so it's easier for you to see, 10, 20, 30, 40, the new 10 that I circled, and 4, my extra 4 apples. 40 plus 4 equals 44. And boys and girls, it was much quicker to use 10 sticks and circles to do this work. Class, you're going to be adding today different problems in your math work after this video is over. And I want you to record your work with 10 sticks and circles. Let's do one more problem together. Because I want to remind you how to write problems in vertical form. Let's add 23 plus 58. When we write in vertical form, make sure that your 1s and your 10s are lined up. You want to attend to precision. You know all about that. Make sure you do good work. Now 23, I'm going to draw my 10 sticks and circles right over here. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So it's 2 10s and 3 1s. 58, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And now I'm going to draw my 8 1s. Do you see how I made my 10s and my 1s, and I even grouped my 1s in 5 groups? I would like you to do that too. It makes making a new 10 much easier. Now, boys and girls, if I look at these 1s, do I have enough to make another 10? I do. I have 8 here, so if I ring my 8 plus 2 from up there, I make another group of 10. Now, boys and girls, I have this one that's not in a group of 10, but when I count, I have 50 plus 20. So this our 10 stick stands for 10 each. So 50 plus 20 is 70. Plus I have this group of 10, which would be 80. Plus I have that extra 1. And so all together, I have 81. 23 plus 58 equals 81. Class, there are problems ready for you on the Dr. Dialogue, and I would like you to make proof drawings, show your work, Write your problems in vertical form, so you'll need a white piece of paper to do that work. And then snap me a picture when you're done. You're going to try this 4 different times, adding some pretty big numbers. You'll be able to do it as long as you make very precise and careful proof drawings. You've got this, kids. I can't wait to see your work. Love you.